Good morning all. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRAV, Department of Information Technology. On today's, we start the lecture 28 on course that is subject data structure using C. Here, vision mission statement of our department. Department vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Department and mission statement, in their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. To build up professional skills in students that have helped them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third is one that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. This is syllabus for course. There are 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Course outcomes. After the completion of unit number 3, which COV achieve implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. They are the syllabus of our topic. On today's lecture, we continue the next application of stack. Okay, in the application of stack, there are the reverse list and polish notation. Also, these are also the applications of stack, and also there are the main point. Means in a exam asking for question, explain the applications of stack, or anytime asking the explain the conversion of infix to postfix, or there also give the examples also. Okay, means in short, conversions of infix to postfix expression is also type of or not a type, it is an application of stack, and also the main points also considered. In the postfix expression, in the last lecture we also seen that every operator is posted by 2 operands on which it operates. Okay, means what in that sentence is meaning is that in that postfix expression the operator is posted on that after the operand. Okay, in 2 operands, after the 2 operands. Any operation is done means 2 operands are available. Okay, 2 operands are needed. Okay, there is an algorithm to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression. There is our aim is that convert the infix expression into postfix expression. It uses stack, but in this case the stack is used to hold the operators rather than operands. Clear that? Means in that which algorithm is used to convert the infix to postfix. After that in the stack is used, but in this case what happened when we use this algorithm, that time stack is used to hold the operator rather than operands, means use the only for operands and rather than the operators. When we give the example, that time clear this point. The purpose of the stack is to reverse the order of the operations in the expression. You know what is the purpose of stack? Using the stack we reverse the last order of the operators in this expression, because stack is the principle is that last in first out. It also serves as a storage structure. This stack is used to the reversing the order or storage purpose, since no operators can be printed until both of its operands have appeared. Okay, means what? When we converting input infix to postfix, that time not only for operator is displayed. When we appear the operands, that time operator will be displayed or operation is performed. In this algorithm, all operands are printed or sent to the output when they are read. Okay, when operands are printed or any operations are done when that are inputted. There are more complicated rules to handle operators and parentheses. Okay, means there are more complicated rules to handle operators and parentheses. When we complicated rules are appeared, that time to see the operators and parentheses, means what? When we two operators are come, means plus and multiplication, and parenthesis is come there, that time to check the preference of that operators, means which operator is first preference is like. Also check the parenthesis is the right parenthesis or left parenthesis. It is the checking when more complications are created. But in generally, when first of all operands, when we read, that time we print that operands and operator, means operator as performed. Algorithm for converting infix expression to postfix form. Their algorithm first scan the infix string from left to right. Okay, when we converting infix to postfix, that time we read the left to right. It is clear that initialize an empty stack. First of all, initialization that empty stack. Repeat 4 to 8 step till all the characters are scanned. If the scan character is operand, add it to the postfix string. Clear? Means when first character, sorry, not a first, any character is operand, that time that are placed in a postfix string. If the scan character is left parenthesis, put onto the stack, because we starting from left to right, so left parenthesis when we scan, that put on that stack. If the scan character is right parenthesis, then repeatedly pop from the stack and add to the postfix string each operator until corresponding left parenthesis is encountered. Clear that? Means when we scan the right parenthesis, okay, then means your left opening parenthesis is when we reach, that time you one by one characters are converted. When right parenthesis is came, means what, your bracket is complete, that time pop on that stack. After that, postfix string each operator until corresponding left parenthesis encountered, means when you up to your left parenthesis completed, that all the operands or operators will be popped. When the scanned character is operator, okay, when we scan the character is operator, that time if top stack has higher precedence over the scan character, then pop the stack. Okay, else push the scan character stack. Means what is the meaning is that when we scan the character, means when we input that character as an operator, okay, that time check on that stack higher precedence operators are available, higher precedence of operator or character available. When we available, then pop on that stack, otherwise push onto that stack. Repeated this step until the stack is not empty and top stack has precedence over the character. If the stack is not empty, add top stack to the postfix string and pop the stack. Means what? And repeat this step as long as stack is not empty. Means in that what is said, when we if the stack is empty, then add the top stack to the postfix string one by one and pop that stack, and this repeat when your long stack is empty. Okay. In short, what is the algorithm of that converting infix to postfix? First of all, your how will be string is read left to right. First of all, clear it. After that, we initialize the empty string. After that, these steps are followed. Okay, means repeat 4 to 8 steps. Okay. First of all, if this, what is the possibilities of when we read the left to right? One is the operand, one is the operator. Okay. If the scan character is operand, then automatically that add to the postfix string. When the operators are scanned, that time which operators are scanned? One is the left, one is the right, and one is the any operator. Okay, and it is the left to right your principle in fixed when we converting a postfix. So your step 5 is what is the said, the left parenthesis is pushed onto the stack. When we left parenthesis we reach in that infix expression, then that are pushed onto the stack up to right parenthesis is reach. Okay, if the scan character right parenthesis means obviously their bracket is closed, bracket is complete, means in opening bracket and closing bracket means left parenthesis or right parenthesis. So when close this parenthesis means all the that in a bracket that all operands and operators will be popped, okay, on that stack to the postfix string until means that said as the when we left parenthesis encounter means when we reach there. Next possibilities is that if the scan character is any operator means plus, minus, division, multiplication, any operator, okay, that time what is the checking, that top stack has higher precedence over that scan character. When in a stack automatic first of all multiplication sign is already in a stack is present and we new operator is, for example, minus will be reached, okay, so multiplication is higher precedence as compared to minus, that time that multiplication will be popped, otherwise not any higher precedence, okay. For example, we in a stack plus is already in a stack is present and you new operator will be reached means minus operator is reached, plus and minus is the same precedence, so push on to that minus also in a stack, clear that. And this is repeated until your stack is not empty means that stack all the empty, okay, means this step until repeat when we that stack is not empty means that opening and closing bracket will be get popped, okay. And if the stack is not empty means add the top stack to the postfix string, okay, means one stack is not empty, that one by one that stacks are stacked to the top stack as to the inner postfix string and one by one is popped to the stack, and this repeat up to that stack is not empty. Okay, this is the example convert infix expression, that is in a left parenthesis a plus b multiplication c minus d, right parenthesis division, opening parenthesis means left parenthesis, e is a operand, multiplication is a operator, f is a operand and right parenthesis, okay, into the postfix expression using stack. Using this example you clear your point, okay. That is the our concept is converting infix to postfix. It is a infix, clear, okay. Infix means in a operator is in a between of present in a between of operand, okay. But when we said the infix when your operator is present in a between of operand, that's said as the infix, clear, okay. Now we converting into postfix. Postfix is rules, first of all left to right, read the left to right, this is the left, okay, so right, so read left to right. First of all left parenthesis is input character means input means scan the character in a, this is stored in a stack. What is the in a algorithm is said that on in a postfix string only for operand will be stored, okay. When closing bracket is reached means right parenthesis is reached, that after that their operator will be perform on that operands. So a is input cat in that said as if the scan character is operand, okay, then add it in the postfix string. So in that a is the operand, so is add in a postfix string. In that said as the if the scan character is left parenthesis in, then in push onto the stack. Left parenthesis is input, then stored in a stack. That said if the scan character is right parenthesis, then repeatedly pop from the stack, okay, and add on that add to the postfix string each operator until your corresponding left parenthesis is encountered. Means when right parenthesis then the right parenthesis will be reached, okay. their right parenthesis will be scan means input, then automatically that stack is empty means one by one will be add in a postfix string means in that complete. Again new character will be entered means that division. Again left parenthesis, okay, again left is all are inputted. When we right parenthesis is came, then automatically that are operate. That's like that's in that algorithm is said there. And it is a when if the scan character is operator, okay, when the scan character is operator, that time what is the checking? If that higher precedence on that stack, then pop, otherwise push. Okay, this step in that plus operator is inputted, so scan, store in a stack. Then multiplication is inputted, stored in a stack. In that already in a top plus operator is present, but it is not higher than that multiplication. So multiplication will be stored in a stack. This is run. This statement is run. Push onto the scan. Okay. And when, for example, there minus operator will be reached, means sorry, inputted, scanned. Okay, that time on the top of the stack, what is the which of the operator is present? Multiplication. Okay, so multiplication is higher precedence than minus. So in that pop onto that operator. This multiplication plus is pop onto that postfix string. Which step is follow in that? When top stack of the higher precedence, then scan character, then pop of the stack. Then pop of the this is pop on that stack. This pop of the stack means that are right in a postfix string. Clear that? Algorithm how will be matched to that example. Okay. See one by one step. Left parenthesis, A is the operand, so write in a postfix string. In that also said as the add a to postfix string. Next plus are the operator, so store in a stack, push plus into stack. After that B will be operand, so add B into the postfix string. After that multiplication operator, so this is the push onto the stack. After that C is the operand, C, so it is add to the C to the postfix string. C is the operand, so it add in the postfix string. After that minus, okay, in that character minus is the lower precedence than multiplication, okay, and also plus, so pop the multiplication and plus and add into the postfix string. So multiplication will be add, after that plus will be add. After that D is the operand, so push D onto the stack or add D onto the stack. After that your right parenthesis will be reach. So when we right parenthesis is inputted, that time in bracket all operator will be add in a postfix string. Okay, so we add the means pop till left and add minus to the postfix string. Okay, after that next operator which are division will be inputted, so push division into the stack. After that left parenthesis will be inputted or push left parenthesis into the stack. After that E is the operand, so it is the push onto the postfix string or also said as the add E to the postfix string. Any statement you use add or push. After that multiplication operator or character will be scanned or input, then it is add onto the stack. After that F operand will be inputted or scanned, that are added to the postfix string or pushed onto the postfix string. Clear that? E, after that F, after that your right parenthesis will be inputted. When we right parenthesis will be inputted, then then pop the your stack. In a pop, what is the multiplication size will be? Multiplication sign will be add in a postfix string. After that your left means your close that brackets. After that division will be popped into the postfix string. Then pop till left and add to the postfix. So your postfix string is A, B, C multiplication plus D minus E F multiplication division is the final postfix expression. This infix into bracket A plus B into C minus D bracket close division into bracket E into F bracket close. Clear that this is the example of converting infix to postfix. Okay. Second example, example 2, consider the infix expression in bracket A plus B bracket close into bracket C minus D bracket close, convert it postfix expression. The given infix expression can be converted into postfix expression using stack data structure as follows. Means using through diagrammatically shown it. This also example shown through table and also shown through diagrammatically. This example also shown in a table and also shown through diagrammatically. Okay. In a question anytime ask convert infix to postfix expression, but shown to the diagrammatically. That time show this through diagrammatically shown that. In that reading the data initially stack is empty, in a postfix expression empty. Left parenthesis will be inputted, push left parenthesis, okay, drop next pointer, empty. A, no operation since A is operand. Okay, no operation will be on stack because A is the operand. In a rule, in a algorithm said as when operand will be inputted, then automatically that's stored in a postfix. When any operator will be came or any operator will be inputted, that time are stored in a stack. Okay. In that also one case is that when any read the operator, that time check in a stack, any higher operator will be in a present on that stack, then that are popped, otherwise push onto that stack. Okay, this condition also check it. Okay, in that A is the operand, so add in a postfix string. After that plus has the low priority there, left parenthesis, so push onto the plus means in a stack. Okay, top automatically incremented by 1. After that B is the operand, so added in a postfix expression. Right parenthesis, pop of the elements till the reach left parenthesis pop plus pop left parenthesis. Okay, means reach all the when left parenthesis will be reached. When we left parenthesis will become plus operator will be present on that stack. These are popped. After that multiplication. Okay, stack is empty and multiplication is operator push onto that stack. After that again left parenthesis that are inputted, push onto the push in a left parenthesis in a stack. After that C is the operand, so are added in a postfix expression, postfix string. After division has the low priority than that left parenthesis, so push onto that stack. D is the operand, so push onto that postfix expression. After that right parenthesis will be read, so all are the pop. Okay, means minus will be pop. After that multiplication will be, what is your expression? You close your closing bracket. Okay, means your right parenthesis. Okay, then pop on that minus will be popped. Okay, after that your bracket left parenthesis will be reached. So your when we right parenthesis and left parenthesis all are in that, all are that are when left parenthesis is opening and when we close parenthesis will be came, that in between that brackets all operators will be pop on that stack, on that postfix string, but in that minus will be only for one operator is present, so that are add in a postfix string. Okay, after that all your characters will be finished, okay, complete. So pop all elements till stack becomes empty. In a stack only for multiplication will be present, that will be pop. The final postfix expression is a b plus c d minus multiplication. These are the postfix expression. Clear that? Okay, in that question not asking for theory point or any algorithm, but definitely asking the example, so that prepare it. Again, next evaluation, fourth application of your stack, and also these are the point evaluation of postfix expressions. In our last point we clear converting to infix to postfix. In that point, in that fourth application, that evaluation, that postfix expression means calculate the value. In our computer system, when an arithmetic expression in an infix notation needs to be evaluated, it is first converted into the postfix notation. The evaluation postfix expression is then evaluated. Means in that said that any arithmetic expression is in infix notation, okay, to need evaluation, then we first of all that converted into postfix notation. After that, that postfix expression will be evaluated. The postfix expression are very simple. The evaluation of postfix expression is also implemented through stack. Okay, means how will be that evaluation of that postfix expression? Using through stack. Since the postfix expression is evaluated in the order of appearance of operator, parentheses are not required in the postfix expression. Okay, in that said, when we postfix expression will evaluated, okay, in the order of appearance of that operators and parentheses are not required in the postfix expression. Means when we evaluation of postfix expression, that time that these are the not used in that, means that are not stored on that stack. Means when during that evaluation a stack is used to store the intermediate results of evaluation. Okay. Means what? When during the evaluation of that postfix, that time in a stack not the or that not the store that order of that appearance of that operator or parenthesis, only for that intermediate results are will be evaluation on that stack. Okay, means for example a plus b, so in a bracket a plus b, no, then bracket plus, that are not in a stored on that stack. We in that calculate the value of that a and b. For example, if we given a value a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, then we in a intermediate result, what is the means that calculation is 1 plus 2 3, so 3 will be stored on that stack. That's like the statement is meaning that a stack can be conveniently used for the evaluation of postfix expression. The expression is read from left to right. Okay, means in that same as the evaluation of postfix is the can be conveniently used through stack. And in how will be that evaluation? That expression is read from left to right. Each encountered element is examined. Okay, means each element will be that reached, that are inputted. If the element is an operand, okay, if the element is an operand, then element is pushed onto the stack. If the element is the operator, then the two operands are popped from that stack and the desired operation is done. Clear that? When any element will be operand, then atomically that push onto the stack. Okay, when operator will be reach, that time operator will be done into the onto the two operands. So two operands will be popped from that stack and calculate that desired operation, which are operations are performed. For example, plus, minus, etc. the result of that operations is again pushed onto that stack. Okay, that results again, operations are again pushed on that stack, means their intermediate result. Okay, after that this process is repeated till the end of the expression. Means intermediate result is stored. After that again any expressions are present on that main expression, that are calculation, again that's repeat this process up to expression will be end. Means your null pointer will be, your null value, that stack is encountered. The final result is popped from that stack. After when all expression is complete, or your expression is finished, that time your final result will be popped on that stack. How to, using through examples that clear that point. In that also algorithms are there. This algorithm finds the value of arithmetic expression p written in a postfix notation, and this algorithm uses a stack to hold the operands evaluate the p. Means in short, in that arithmetic expression p will be evaluation. Which are the steps? First, scan p from left to right. Okay, p means what? Your arithmetic expression are written in a postfix notation, that will be scan. How will we scan? Left to right, and repeat the step 2, 3 for each token of p until the central null is encountered. Means whenever your expression is finished, that up to that step 2 and 3 are repeated. Always the end of the string is repeated by null pointer. Means slash o means your null. Okay, these are used the notation in a C language. /n /o, that's like /n means new line, /o means null value, that's like. Step 2, if an operand is encountered, put in on stack. Okay, after that step 3 means any operands will be reached that are put on that stack. If an operator is encountered, any operator, okay, any operator is encountered, then what is will be happen? Then remove the 2 top elements of the stack, where a is the operand 1 and is the, okay, means where a is the top element, a is the one operand, b is one the another operand 2. Okay, a is the top element and the b is the next top of the element. Okay, that are removed. Means last 2, means in short what is the meaning here is that last 2 operand will be removed, means pop. Okay, and evaluate that b and a, which operators will be that, which operator will be that inputted, that are performed on operand b and a, means operand 2 and operand a, that is operand 2 and operand 1. After that place the result back to the stack. Any operations are performed and result will be placed on that stack. Fourth step, okay, this process is repeat up to your string is complete. Set value equal to the top element on that stack and to go final outcome. Okay, means one by one that set and we get the final outcome. And last exit. Okay, using through example that clear your point. For example, evaluating the following expression or following example. What is the example? A b plus c minus d division. These are the your postfix expression. Your topic is that, your point is that evaluation of postfix expression is the postfix expression if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4 and d is equal to 5. These are the values. After putting the values, expression is a means 2, b means 3 plus c means 4 multiplication, d means 5 division. Okay, first step, first element 2 push onto the stack in a figure A. Okay, after the second element 3 will be pushed onto the stack because 2, 3 are the operand, so that are pushed onto the stack in that said as the, if the operand will be encountered, then put on that a stack. So these are stored on that stack. Okay, in a 3 step. Now operator plus is encountered. Okay, so pop 2 elements from that stack, perform addition and push result into the stack in a 3.98, means in that. First of all 2 is push onto stack, after that 3, after that plus is operand will be inputted, so that operation is performed and that result will be stored on that stack. This concept. If the operator is encountered, then first of all remove these 2 top element of that stack. Which two top element? 3 and 2. Okay, after that evaluation means that which operator will be inputted, that are evaluation means calculate the result and that place to the result on the back to the stack. Means in that 3 and 2 which operator? Plus. So plus operator will be performed on that operand. 3 plus 2 5 and 5 will be stored. This step 3 will be executed. Okay, and set value equal to the top, all are set to the top of the element up, okay, on the stack, and to get the last final outcomes. Step 4, push. Next 4 will be operand, so push onto the stack. Okay, after that now operator multiplication is encountered, so pop the 2 elements from stack and perform multiplication and push that result onto the stack. It is shown in a 3.28. in that 2 operands will be popped. Okay, last 2 operands 4 and 5, which operation perform? Multiplication. So 5 4s are 20, so store the result. In a next 6th step, push 5 onto the stack. Okay, after that 7, now division is encountered. Okay, means division is inputted or reached. Scan. Okay, so pop the 2 elements from the stack, 5 and 20, perform division and push result into the 3.20 C in a figure of C. Okay, what is the said? 5 and 20 division is that, result is 4. Okay, so 4 will be stored. The string is complete. Okay, slash n means null is encountered in an expression and pop the stack. Okay, means all pop the stack and get the final result as a 4. Then 4 will be popped on the stack and your final result will be get. Clear there? After another example is that, for example, consider the evaluation of this following postfix expression using stacks: a b c plus d multiplication f division minus, where a is the value 6, 3, b means 3, c means 6, d means 5, f means 9. After putting the value, will be get the postfix expression this like, which will be evaluated which can be evaluated by following way. Symbol scan. 6 first left to right. Okay, because it is a postfix. So 6 store and stack, push stack. 3 push to stack, because these are the operand. 6 will be pushed on the stack. After plus last 2 operands, which are 6 plus 3, addition 9. Pop 2 elements and perform addition operation and push intermediate result in a stack. 9 intermediate means temporary result. It is a 9 is a not a final result, so in that 9 is said as the intermediate result. Clear that? After that 5 push, because 5 is the operand, multiplication. So pop 2 elements and perform multiplication operation and push intermediate results in a stack. 9 5s are 45. After again 9 division, 45 and 9 division result. 9 5s are 45, so 5 is the result. Again minus 6 minus 5 1, so your 1 is the final result. Clear that? Again another one example, evaluation of postfix expression. Consider that example. Okay, that in details through shown that 5 is the symbol, after that 6, 5 is the symbols, so stack on the 5, after that 6, so 6 on stack, after that 2, these are the operands, so one by one are pushed on that stack. Plus is the operator, okay, so perform that onto that operands. In that 2 is the first operand, 6 is the second operand. In that algorithm said as, okay, remove the 2 elements of that stack, and A is the operand 1, B is the operand 2, is the top element, and B is the next top element. Okay, when we evaluate the operand 2 and operand 1. Okay, 2 is the top of the stack and 6 is the next top of the stack, so 6 is the operand 2, 2 is the operand 1, so evaluate operand 2 and operand 1, means 6 plus 2 8. 8 will be intermediate result is stored on that stack. After that multiplication will be inputted. Okay, after that in that 8 and 5, 8 is the first operand, 5 is the second operand. Okay, 5 into 8, 40 will be pushed on that stack. It is a intermediate result. It is not a final result because expression will be remaining. 8 will be inputted. 8 is the operand, so push on that stack. 4 is the operand, so push on that stack. Division, input will be symbol, okay, symbol or character, whatever you said as. After that last 8 and 4, 4 is the first operand, 8 is the second operand. 8 divided by 4, answer is 2, is stored. After minus 40 plus 2, 38. Okay, end of your input, so print the result 38. This 38 will be result is display and the stack is empty. Okay, these are the another example. Clear that? Summary on today's lecture. Which points are clear on today's lecture? Which points are conducted? Applications of stack in under conversion of infix to postfix expression and evaluation of postfix expression. Clear that? Assignment number 3, that continue the next questions. Okay, these are the 4 and these are the 2. In that you observe it, question is asked in the solving the expression, means examples are asked, so you prepare perfect to do that examples, converting infix to postfix and evaluation of example. Okay, not a theory or not a asking the algorithm, you solve the example. It is the important point, converting infix to postfix evaluation. After in the next lectures, in converting infix to prefix and evaluation of prefix. These 4 points are important. 100% question is asked, otherwise 4 marks or 6 marks or 8 marks, whatever. Definitely 100% is question is asked on that point. Infix to postfix evaluation, converting infix to prefix, evaluation of prefix. These are the 4 points, depends upon that 4 points. Okay, in that converting infix to postfix, okay, and that diagrammatically that shown it. In that also evaluation of, means in that calculating the expression, P is your expression, okay, evaluating that postfix notation. After in that also evaluation, in that also evaluation, in that converting the question, in that also converting the question infix to postfix. Clear that? These are the question assignment questions. Here stop on today's lecture. In these points, in this lecture session, any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.